Hello guys, this is our new video of Termux Terminal. Already you have seen the thumbnail. By looking the thumbnail, you already have understand what we are going to learn today. So without wasting time, let's go to the Termux Terminal. So when I open this Termux Terminal, at first it's showing the hacker, the letter and the present working directory and the listed all of the folders and files in that directory, means home directory. So if you want to create this process at first, whenever you will open your Termux Terminal, that time if you want to show these things, then you can do easily without install any packages, without go to any GitHub link or any other website. Okay, how we can do? Let's start it. So at first you have to think this is the basic program. You can see this is a automatic task by which it is generating. So you have to use some command to create this structure. How we can do? So at first you have to just check it where you have now. You can see this is home directory listed out. Just you go back to the previous page, double dot, listed out, home and user is there. So you have to go inside the user folder, then listed out, inside go to inside the etc folder, then listed out. Inside this folder you can see one file is there. That file name is bash.bashrc. This is our root directory command file by which we can update our Termux terminal. By looking this, you already can see the hacker text and the folders. Whatever you want to use, you can use it. Okay, I have to update this file to create this pattern. I'm just copy this file, then write nano and then paste over here, then give enter. So in this file you have to edit some things. If you have seen my previous videos, there I already shown to you some of the packages by which you can do different types of text pattern. So how you can do? No need to do nothing over here. Just at the last you have to go. Then here you can see I have written first the clear function. This command will clear all the processes. When the Termux terminal will be start first time, then it will be clear all the things, all the tasks. Then I have retained the Figlet, means I use this Figlet package to make the cool looking text, and then I use this hacker text. Okay, then pwt to show that present working directory, and at the last I have written that list command by which this process will be run at first whenever you will start your Termux terminal. So this process, if you want to create in this file, then every time whenever you will start your Termux terminal, that time means this process will run. But if you want to use any another task which will be run again and again whenever you will start your Termux terminal, that syntax also you can use over here. Just I'm showing once, I'm just deleting this one. Next I will update and upgrade the packages, because every time I want to update or upgrade the packages whenever I started the Termux terminal, so I want to do it automatically. Okay, so you have to write down the package, means after Figlet hacker it will show, means it will show the all updates and upgrade the requirements of the Termux terminal. So just write down the package update, then double ampersand, then package upgrade, then hyphen y to accept all the requirements. Okay, now how you can save it? By pressing Ctrl plus X, one pop-up will open where you have to just press the Y for save it, and then press Ctrl plus M to go back to previous page. Now I already updated. Now just type the exit command to exit from this Termux terminal. Okay, I've done. Now I will start first time because I already exited. Now I will click over the Termux app. You can see the hacker text, the cool looking text is there, and the package update and upgrade is running. The process is running automatically. We no need to use this command to run that process. It's automatically will do at the fast whenever you will start your Termux terminal. Okay, this is the process by which you can automate your process. What process you want to run again and again. So you no need to run that process again and again. You can set it automatically. Okay, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. Till then, be smart, be cool, be informative to help someone. Bye bye guys.